This is WPXI's Home Experts, Pittsburgh's go-to home professional resource.
Replacing windows and doors or remodeling your bathroom may not be projects you want to tackle on your own, but there are experts who can help. Joining me from Mount Pleasant Windows and Remodeling is production manager Henry Brecht. Henry, thank you for being here.
My pleasure.
How long have you been in business?
We've been in business since 1975, so it's family owned and operated. So for 48 years, we've been doing a great job. You don't stick around that long and do bad work.
Where are you located and what area do you serve?
We're located in Murraysville, PA, which is right off of 22, and I serve an hour-and-a-half radius, which is basically western Pennsylvania. I go to Butler, Cranberry, Wexford, Canonsburg, Washington, Uniontown, you know, pretty much you name it, I'm there.
Your company does background checks and provides references. Can you tell us more about why that's important as a home improvement company that sends crews into people's homes?
Well, it's very important. All the employees of the company go through background checks. We're a good company. All the employees work well together. We have each other's backs. We support one another. So that's all important. And our installers, I'm in charge of that. So our installers, they're certified, they're professionals. We go out, we do our job one time, it's done right. I like to do things by the book, manufacturer specifications, things like that, and that's what we do.
What products and warranties do you offer?
Our products that we offer are windows, doors, bathrooms, and roofing and siding. And we install all that in newer homes, older homes, and we also, I'm certified lead tester, so we do inspect for lead in older homes, and we have to take certain precautions for all of that too. So, but our certified installers, we handle all of that. So.
And can you tell me about your warranties as well?
Yes, the warranties, all the material, all the windows, doors, all the products are all manufacturer warranties. And then we have our labor warranty. That is for 5 years. And we don't have many services because the products that we sell are really good.
Thank you, Henry, for being here. We really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Call today to take advantage of this great offer from Mount Pleasant Windows and Remodeling.
WPXI's Home Experts have the answers. Visit WPXI.com/homeexperts for more offers and tips from our experts. Sponsored by Mount Pleasant Window and Remodeling.